Welcome to this week's Family Health Minute. This week's minute looks at the top 5 therapeutic benefits of chiropractic adjustments. Finding a good chiropractor is important for anyone who desires to take a proactive approach to protecting their health. Here are the top 5 therapeutic benefits of chiropractic adjustments supported by evidence from medical research studies, systematic reviews, and case studies. 1. Sciatica. The European Spine Journal published findings from a clinical trial showing chiropractic adjustments resulted in a 72% success rate in treating sciatica-related symptoms, compared to a 20% success rate from treatment with physical therapy and a 50% success rate from corticosteroid injections. 2. Low back pain and neck pain. A study published in the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics found patients with chronic low back pain treated by chiropractors showed greater improvement and satisfaction 1 month following treatment compared to patients treated by family physicians. 3. Headaches, tension, and migraine. Over 230 peer-reviewed referenced chiropractic's ability to help cure, prevent, and ease the burden of headaches and migraines in people around the world. 4. Colic, acid reflux, and ear infections in children. A 2011 systematic review published in the journal Explore found that chiropractic adjustments helped greatly reduce colic symptoms. 5. Neurological conditions. Current research being conducted via upright MRI scans is supporting how upper cervical adjustments affect various brain-based conditions. One of the greatest benefits of chiropractic care is that it's a drug-free path to healing the body naturally. Make chiropractic a regular health habit for the whole family to ensure your spines and nervous systems are working the best they can. And that is this week's Family Health Minute.